Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of handmade crochet cardigans. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love this type of most amazing collection. So ever share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most amazing cardigans ideas. It's totally handmade crochet cardigans and very attractive and popular designs. So this video is very helpful for them, and viewer, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. So in this video you will see different colors, different themes and different decent and most amazing designs. So viewer, must make these beautiful designs. Pick your favorite one and make for yourself. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outlast collection, it's an amazing collection for them, and they will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet items. So if you all love this article and if you want more designs and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos, and be connected with me. See you soon. Bye bye.